Hello, I'm Andrew. Today I'll be talking about PICO's Caméléon tool system and how to use it. For a link to a product page, please see the video description below. If you're new here, I'd like to share PICO's most popular and new products with you. To be notified of future videos, please click to subscribe below. Let me start by discussing what it's made of. PICO's Caméléon tool body consists of a sturdy carbon steel frame, adjustable compression wheel, and rubberized handles for a comfortable grip. The built-in safety release allows the tool to release mid-crimp if required. The Caméléon crimper adapts perfectly with any PICO Caméléon die. The easy change technology allows the dies to be changed rapidly without the need of any other tool. The Caméléon dies use a single crimp system. Accurate dimensions ensure precise crimps that meet or exceed standards. These dies can be used with any of PICO's Caméléon tools. No extra tools are required to change them. PICO's Caméléon tools offer many solutions. The crimper eliminates the problem of over-crimping connectors. The ratchet action and quick release ensure that crimps are secure and uniform. The PICO Caméléon dies have accurate dimensions that ensure precise crimps that meet or exceed standards. These dies can be used with any of PICO's Caméléon tools. No extra tools are required to change dies. Welcome to the demonstration for the Caméléon tool. We've got a few ready for you here. Please make sure you have your safety equipment when you follow along, some gloves and some glasses. And remember that we are working with electricity here, so disconnect whatever you're working on from its power source, whether that be the battery, circuit, or just pulling it from the wall. So the first thing we're going to want to do is grab our Caméléon tool and insert the die, the 415-31, A die for insulated connectors. Slipped right in like that, and now we're ready to crimp. We're going to grab our wire that we're going to be working with, grab our stripping tool, and strip off 10 millimeters, or 1 centimeter. We're then going to insert our quick connector, grab our crimping tool, crimp the connector, and perfect crimped. Now let's plug everything in. So we've got our license plate light. There we go, plugged in. Let's hook it up to some power. Got the positive here and the negative. And that's how you crimp a insulated connector with the 415-31 die on the Caméléon tool system. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to take a crimp tool and insert the die, the 419-31, which is the B die for non-insulated connectors, like so. We're then going to take our stripping tool and strip off 10 millimeters of the jacket on the rear license plate light and on our power cable. We're then going to grab the heat shrink tubing and slide it over the wire. That way we can seal up the connection after we've mounted the butt connector. We're then going to take our butt connector, insert it into the crimp tool without crimping down to hold it into place. Slide in the wire for the license plate light, crimp down. Do the same thing on the other side where we just put the butt connector into it. Insert the wire, and crimp down. perfectly crimped connection. Then we're going to take the heat shrink tubing and slide it over. Grab a heat gun. And shrink that down to ensure a secure connection. Okay. Now that it's shrunk down, our butt connector is secured. All we have to do is connect the negative. And now we've got light. Let's take this last demonstration outside. Hello, we're going to be replacing a burnt out taillight socket. We'll need the following. Let's get at it. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Remember, the link to our product page can be found in the video description below. The largest market segment coverage of top quality products is now at your fingertips. Connect with PICO today.